How's it going, everyone? Mark from Brick Foundation here, and we have some breaking LEGO news on the up-and-coming LEGO Space Shuttle set. The LEGO Space Shuttle set 10283 has been confirmed it is not going to be Space Shuttle Columbia. LEGO decided to stay away from controversy and stick with the Space Shuttle Discovery and Hubble telescope. And in doing this, LEGO misses the 40th anniversary of the maiden flight of the Space Shuttle Columbia. Now I thought, since LEGO is making that Titanic set later this year, that there wouldn't be much of an issue making the Space Shuttle Columbia set. And thanks to Promo Bricks, we have some more information. We also learned that the LEGO Space Shuttle is not going to have an external tank. The set is not going to resemble the LEGO Creator Expert that came out in 2010-2011, but instead, it's going to resemble this. It's basically an updated version of the LEGO Discovery Kids set from 2003. But instead, it's going to come with a stand and plaque. They also state that it's going to come with the Hubble Space Telescope, which you can store in the cargo bag, and also deploy it using the RMS. Now, the new rumor is it's going to be released April 1st and no longer in July of 2021. That's less than 2 weeks away. And actually, if you Google LEGO 10283, BrickCatch already indicates it's available to pre-order, but when you click on the LEGO link, nothing pops up. It does state that 10283 is a creator expert 18+, list price of $199.99, and the release date of April 1st, 2021. Now, unfortunately, we still don't have a piece count yet, but that soon is all going to change. LEGO's going to be officially revealing the Space Shuttle Discovery tomorrow. So all you LEGO space fans out there, mark tomorrow on your calendars. Well, that's all the rumors I have for you today in regards to the LEGO Space Shuttle Discovery. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Are you disappointed that there's no external tank? Are you disappointed that they're not doing Columbia and doing Discovery? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, guys, if you like this kind of content, like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to this channel for all the latest LEGO news. I'll see you guys later.